In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your website using Hostinger Website Builder. Adding a favicon not only boosts your site's professionalism, but also improves its branding by allowing visitors to identify your site more easily in their browser tabs. So let's jump right in and give your website an identity edge. First things first, you'll need a favicon image. If you haven't already prepared one, this is usually a small square image with dimensions of either 16 by 16 pixels or 32 by 32 pixels. These dimensions are standard and ensure that your favicon will display properly across most browsers and devices. Consider using your logo or any other image that best represents your brand. Keep in mind the image's clarity at such a small size, as this can greatly impact how recognizable your favicon is to users. Once your favicon image is ready, head over to the Hostinger Website Builder. To do this, simply log into your account and navigate over to your website's dashboard. At your dashboard, you'll see a variety of options to manage and customize your site. From here, go to your site settings. You can usually find this option within the main menu or dashboard sidebar, where you manage the general settings of your website. These settings include various tools to enhance your site's performance and user engagement, but what you're looking for is the option specifically for the favicon. This is typically nested under general settings, so take a moment to navigate through these options until you find the favicon section. Once you've located the favicon section, you should see an option to upload your image. This is where you'll bring in the favicon image that you prepared earlier. Click on the upload button, which will open a dialog to allow you to select a file from your computer. Navigate to the location where your favicon image is saved and select it. After uploading, you should see a preview of how your new favicon will appear. With the favicon uploaded, don't forget to save your changes. Saving is crucial as it ensures that all your efforts are finalized and that your new favicon is properly applied. Now for the grand finale, publishing your website. This is an essential step to make sure that your changes are live and visible to everyone who visits your site. Navigate to the Publish button, which you'll usually find in the top right corner of the editor. With just one click, your website will go live with its brand new favicon. Adding a favicon to your website is a small yet impactful way to enhance its appearance and functionality. It's an easy process that should only take a few minutes, but contribute significantly to your site's professional look and feel. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.